In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a row ID sequentially in Tableau Public in just 5 minutes. Let's get started by first opening up the Tableau Public app. It's important that you have the app already installed on your computer and ready to go. Once you've launched the app and are greeted with the home page, navigate to your desired worksheet. This is where we'll be performing our actions today. At this point, you should be inside your worksheet with your data visible. The first step involves dragging the region dimension to the rows shelf. This action will effectively sort your data by region, which is a common way of organizing your information. Following this, you'll want to drag the state field to the rows shelf as well. Placing the state dimension beneath region allows for a further breakdown of your data, providing a more detailed view of your dataset. Next, find the sales metric within your data fields. Click and drag this over to the text shelf. By doing this, you're instructing Tableau to display the sales figures associated with each state, right next to the state names themselves. This will allow for quick reference and analysis. Now, let's move on to creating a calculated field, which will serve as our sequential row ID. At the top of your screen, click on Analysis, and from the drop-down menu, select Create Calculated Field. A dialog box will appear. Here you'll want to name the field Row Number. In the calculation editor, type Index, and then click OK. This function effectively generates an index number for each row in your worksheet. With your calculated field ready, the next step is to right-click on it in the data pane. Select Convert to Discrete from the context menu. This action changes the index from a continuous field to a discrete one, which means it will behave more like a category rather than a continuous range of numbers. Once converted, drag your new row number field onto the rows shelf, adding it to your view. Now you have a chronological index in your data. However, we're not quite finished. Click the drop-down arrow next to your row number on the rows shelf. Select Edit Table Calculation. In the dialog that pops up, you want to specify how Tableau will calculate your indices. Choose the Pane Down option. This ensures that the index calculates correctly across the entirety of each column rather than resetting with each new row grouping. And that's it! You've now successfully added a sequential row ID to your Tableau worksheet. This method is particularly useful for tracking order or sequence in your datasets, allowing for more clarity and organization. With practice, these steps will become second nature, enabling you to effectively utilize Tableau's powerful data organization capabilities. Thank you for watching, and happy visualizing!